Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Are you excited that tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day? I don't know about you, but pretty much every holiday I get a little bit excited for. I think that it's an extra reason to be happy and to celebrate. Things that we do to celebrate St. Patrick's Day is wear green, eat green food. Traditionally, some people will eat corned beef and cabbage. Personally, I have never tried it. I don't think it looks good. Is that the example? Probably not. You should at least try it. I just have never been anywhere that it is to try a bite. And I don't want to order it from a restaurant just in case I don't like it. So anyways, sidetrack, side note. Maybe your family eats corned beef and cabbage to celebrate. We often talk about green and rainbows and gold and luck and leprechauns. And today we are going to talk about leprechauns. And I have a story for you that is how to catch a leprechaun. We're going to be doing some literacy by listening to the story, but we're also going to be doing some writing by writing our steps down, and then also some math by designing. We're going to be using some engineering skills part of math for designing. I can't breathe today without choking. How to Catch a Leprechaun. Words by Adam Wallace. Pictures by Andy Elkerton. And I do believe that this is an AR book. I will look up the number and put it on the schedule for you underneath the code of this book. Let's focus it a little bit. All right. The night is dark, the streets are quiet, St. Patrick's Day is near. I tap my hammer so you'll know the leprechaun is here. I'll pull out all your laces, put glitter in your hair, and when you walk around you'll see my gold coins everywhere. You'll never catch me in your trap, but yes, I'll make a scene. I'll turn the whole place upside down. Your toilet will be green. Have you ever tried catching a leprechaun before? Have you ever actually caught a leprechaun before? Have you been successful? I have not been successful. House number 1, I'm going in. Really? That's your trap? I'm in and out without a doubt. That one was a snap. And now I think it's getting worse. A shoebox on a stick. I'll dance a jig and still escape. We leprechauns are quick. Another house, I fixed your shoes. They really were quite smelly. I'll eat the nuts you left as bait and leave with a full belly. I wouldn't think that leprechauns like nuts. I'm not sure. Now you're talking. Look at this. It's dandelion tea. But I'm too speedy for your trap. This tea is mine for free. I do know that over in England they do like tea. That was not an Irish accent at all. I know you want my pot of gold. The iron cage was clever, but I've been alive 200 years. You won't catch me ever. I have heard that leprechauns do live for some time. Ha 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 ha. Now you're getting fancy, but I'll escape with twinkle toes. It's a fancy pantsy dancy. It seems to me an engineer has helped with this design. Too bad this little leprechaun is going to be just fine. Your entire house is one big trap, from the ceiling to the floor. Nice try indeed, but soon enough I'll stroll right out the door. Totally safe place for leprechauns. The leprechaun be gone 3,000 gave me quite a scare, but without a 4-leaf clover I won't be caught in there. You'll never catch this leprechaun. Impossible, that's a fact, unless one day a brilliant child designs the perfect trap. Let me try focusing this real quick. But who will that child be? Will it be you? Look at all the math and scientific engineering design processes going on. They're drawing designs and blueprints. They're measuring and testing. He looks like he's thinking. So much math and science brains thinking. Better luck next year. So today you have two things to do, okay? The first one is that I want you to write a how-to about how to catch a leprechaun. I don't think that. So for each of these, you're going to first you're going to think about your trap. I'll show you both pages and you can decide which one is easier to do first, okay? So I want you to look around your house, see what materials you have that you can design a trap to try to catch the leprechaun. Make sure that you ask your adult beforehand to make sure that you can use the materials that you are looking for. And then you're going to build your trap and put the trap together. So in this first picture, or in this first rectangle up top, you're going to draw a picture of what your trap looks like put together. And that's today. You're doing that today. Tomorrow on the schedule it says leprechaun trap results. Down here in the second rectangle, you're going to draw a picture of what your trap looks like tomorrow after you wake up. So does your trap look the exact same? Was there a leprechaun and you tried going through your trap, but you could tell that he got away? Did you catch a leprechaun? What does your trap look like? Does it look the same or does it look a little different? So you're going to draw a picture of what your trap looks like. Maybe you might want to write a sentence on the bottom about your prediction of what the leprechaun did to make your trap look that way. This is one page. After you draw your what your trap looks like, I do want you to walk me through your process for how to catch a leprechaun. So what do you have to do first? You're going to write 1 or 2 sentences, and the first one's going to be first. Next, 1 to 2 sentences. What is the next step? Then 1 to 2 sentences, and last 1 to 2 sentences. With each one of these, you're going to draw a small little snapshot of a picture that goes with it. So this square matches your first step. This square matches your next step. This square matches your then step. And then this square matches your last step. Okay? So you're going to walk us through how to catch a leprechaun. You can do this first while you're thinking about your trap, or you can completely do your trap first and then explain it to us. Whatever order you do it in, that is up to you. This page is due today, and then this page is due tomorrow with your results. Okay? Happy engineering design process. Have fun, and best of luck to you as you embark on the grand journey of trying to catch a leprechaun. I hope that you are lucky enough to do so. If you do want to take a picture of your actual trap and email it to me or post it on our Facebook page, so that way we are able to see everyone's leprechaun traps, that would be super fun and awesome as well. Have a great day and have fun, guys.